Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the home screen layout on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now, if you want to change the home screen layout of your Samsung phone, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Home Screen. Now, on this page, you will find the option of Home Screen Layout. Just tap on it. Now from here, you will find two options. First of all, you have the option of Home Screen and App Screen, or you can select Home Screen only. After you select one of these options, just tap on Apply to save the changes. Now, as you can see, we have successfully disabled the app screen or the app drawer, and all the apps are now on the home screen. After that, in the home screen section, you will find the option of home screen grid. Now, if you select this option, you can change the grid size from 4x6 to 5x6. Just tap on Done to save the changes. Just like that. And finally, you have the option to lock the home screen layout. Now, for example, if you want to lock the home screen layout on your Samsung phone, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, you will lock the home screen layout. Just like that. And if you want to unlock the lock home screen layout option, just disable this toggle. And after you disable this toggle, you will unlock the home screen layout on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can change the home screen layout on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.